Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Lynn from Lost in Iowa, and today I am going to be sharing the first of my series of stash videos. So let's get started. Okay, for those of you that were on my live stream the other day, I did break out my Christopher Lovell collection, and so I'll just go ahead and bring those out for the rest of you. Let's start out with a little bit of a bio about Christopher Lovell. He is a self-taught Welsh artist. He is currently based in the UK. He grew up on sci-fi, cartoons, fantasy, books, and toys, and the nostalgia these bring to him triggers his imagination and pours out into his art. He considers himself a traditional fantasy artist. He built his career designing band artwork for t-shirts and album covers. He does have a YouTube channel where he shows time lapses of his painting process. So my first Christopher Lovell kit is Solstice. And I don't know if I can get her up here in a way that you can see her well. So I will pop an image up onto the screen. This kit is 51 colors, including 3 Aurora Borealis, for a total diamond count of 96,309. This is a 25.6 inch by 36.2 inch canvas, which translates to 65 centimeters by 92 centimeters. And it's one of his more colorful kits. Some details about her: she is a fae in a summer setting. She's got sunflowers, butterflies, other flowers around her, with 2 golden macaws. Also, she has tattooed on her arms, you can't really see it, 23.44 2 times, and that represents the 2 times we have solstices throughout the year. So she is the epitome of the longest day and the longest night, so it's kind of the juxtaposition between light and dark, which I think is really cool. Next up, we have Succubus. She has 34 colors, 3 Aurora Borealis for a total diamond count of 70,784, so she's a little bit smaller than the previous one. She measures 22 inches by 31 inches, or 55.8 centimeters by 78.7 centimeters. Next up, we have Lilith. She's another colorful one. 72 colors, including 4 Aurora Borealis and 1 fairy dust diamond, for a total diamond count of 70,784. She measures in at 22 inches by 31 inches, or 55.8 centimeters by 78.7 centimeters. And I should mention up till now, and I'll try to do better for the rest of the video, that all 3 of those I've shown so far are square diamond kits. The next kit that we have is Ashura. She has 49 colors, including 2 Aurora Borealis, for a total diamond count of 70,784. She measures in at 22 by 31 inches, or 56 centimeters by 79 centimeters. She is also a square. Next up, we have Soma. She has 40 colors, including 1 Aurora Borealis and 2 fairy dust diamonds, for a total diamond count of 70,784. She is 22 by 31 inches, or 55.8 centimeters by 78.7 centimeters. Next up, we have Esca. She has 27 colors, including 1 Aurora Borealis, 1 iridescent, and 1 fairy dust diamond, for a total diamond count of 111,557. She measures in at 27.6 by 39 inches, or 69.9 by 98.8 centimeters. She's also square. Next, we have Medusa. 20 colors, including 2 Aurora Borealis, for a total diamond count of 108,584. She measures 27.6 by 39 inches, or 70 by 99 centimeters. I think she's going to be perfect for enhancements. Next up, we have the Messenger. The Messenger has 15 colors, including 1 fairy dust diamond, for a total diamond count of 111,557, measuring in at 27.6 by 39 inches, or 69.9 centimeters by 98.8 centimeters. Next up, we have Mystery Kit 114, also known as Christmas Horror. 36 colors, including 1 glow-in-the-dark diamond, 1 iridescent diamond, and 3 fairy dust diamonds, for a total diamond count of 94,221, measuring in at 25.6 by 35.4, or 65 centimeters by 89.9 centimeters. If you stay tuned to the end, I will have a spoiler and show you what the image of this is. So if you do not want to see spoilers, you might want to jump out at the end, and I will give you one more warning before I do it. Okay, I had to do a little bit of research because they don't list the drill count on here without opening everything up, I think. So next I have Mystery Kit 36 Dark Fantasy. The size by this is 23.6 by 33.5 inches, or 60 centimeters by 85 centimeters. And it has 46 colors, including 3 Aurora Borealis and 1 iridescent diamond, for a total diamond count of 81,840. And the same as with the other mystery, at the end I will reveal the images for these. You'll get one more warning before I do it, in case you don't want to see them. Next up, another round. This is Plague Doctor. Sizes 22 by 31 inches, 55.8 centimeter by 78.7 centimeter. It says color-wise, it has 17 colors plus 2 Aurora Borealis, for a total drill count of 55,919. Next, we have Euryale, another square. She is clocking in at 25.6 by 36.2 inches, or 65 centimeters by 92 centimeters. She has 25 colors plus 1 electro diamond, for a total diamond count of 96,309. And last but not least, 9 lives, clocking in at 27.6 inches by 39 inches, or 70 by 99 centimeters. 35 colors, including 4 Aurora Borealis, for a total diamond count of 108,584. That is it for my Christopher Lovell collection. There are some pieces that I am still looking for, including Fire Drake. And then there are some kits that I will probably never purchase of his, including the Dolphins, A Question of Reality, I believe, and Blackheart Ballet. They just don't fit my vibes. So just because you like to collect an artist doesn't mean you have to like every single one they make. And with that, this will be your final warning. I am going to be popping up the images of those 2 mystery kits. Which also reminds me, there are a couple other mystery kits I need to pick up, but I haven't been able to find them on D-Stash, much like Fire Drake. Anyway, okay, final warning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next week with another stash drop video. Bye.